a self-portrait of desperation. Hundreds crammed onto a boat, filmed by a refugee on his own phone, all seeking safety in Europe. Tens of thousands are fleeing from the North African coast. Many are Syrian refugees. Many others come from sub-Saharan Africa. All risk their lives.
أنا وزوجتي ومعي أولادي 2 بناتي اضطرينا نطلع بالقوارب، يعني قوارب الموت. ما فيش إلا غير تسمية قوارب الموت. ما ضل لنا خيار تاني. ورحلة كانت كتير، يعني كتير صعبة. يعني اشترينا واحد بيشتري الموت $1,000 للشخص.
$1,000 to brave the Mediterranean and its storms. More than 500 have died so far this year, according to UNHCR. Thousands more have been saved, rescued by the Italian Navy and Coast Guard and its Mare Nostrum mission, created after the Lampedusa disaster last October when 360 refugees drowned in sight of shore. The Italian sailors on the ship San Giorgio watch for boats in the flotilla of the fleeing and then bring the refugees to safe harbor within their own ship. The picture of crowded humanity testifies to the immensity of the task. 4 boats, almost 1,200 refugees rescued in just 6 hours. Close to 70,000 have been saved this way this year. Among them, this Syrian extended family of 14, including 4 children. Some had fled to Libya 2 years ago, others more recently. But as the situation there deteriorated, they fled again. Even safe, their ordeal still haunts them.
بس آخر مرة فقدت الأمل حنوصل. تركنا المهرب وسهرب. هون قلت خلص صار يعني واحد ما بيعرف يسوق. هذا يقول روح هيك، هذا يقول تعال هيك. صرنا أي باخر نشوفها من بعيد بس بدنا نقرب عليها. هون أنا قلت خلص ضاع موضوعنا. رحنا خلص ما عاد نوصل أصلاً.
Many of the refugees arrived sick and exhausted, needing medical help. Children, babies, made the dangerous journey with their parents who lived in fear.
آخر مرة بحطه في صدري وبوسه، فهمت؟ يعني أنا بصراحة تأثرت كثير. لأني ممكن اللقاء الأخير يكون، يعني ممكن يكون هاي آخر قبلة بطبعها على وجنته، ما حتشوفه.
The relief felt by all is tinged for some with a sense of guilt.
بتمنى لأطفالي إن شاء الله ما يشوفوا ويسامحوني إني عذبتهم بهالخوف اللي خافوه. بتمنى يسامحوني إني وزوجتي طبعاً.
For the refugees, the rescue at sea is the end of peril, but not the end of uncertainty. As the family of 14 disembark at the port of Taranto in southern Italy, they must now face a new life on an unknown continent. They and others are taken to an accommodation center where they can rest and recover from their dangerous crossing. Their dream is modest, the dream of millions.
بحب إنه نعيش حياة عادية زينا زي باقي العالم. بس ونكون نحن عايشين مرتاحين، هذا هو كل حلمي، ما بدي شيء تاني.
Italy offers them safety, but they must now make a new life. For this family, that involves more traveling. The train will take them north to Milan, and from there they hope to go to Sweden, a long, arduous journey in search of peace.